Hi Rose, quick question about this 50 seeds that Quinn and I planted on Earth Day. Quinn has a question for you.
Why? When we're going to put the plants in the Nutri-Tower?
She wants to know when we're going to transplant our seeds into the Nutri-Tower. Also, should we be adding nutrient to the seedlings prior to planting them into the Nutri-Tower? Thanks, Rose.
Hey guys, it's Rose, and I'm going to answer Quinn's two very good questions, which are about when to transplant seedlings into your Nutri-Tower and when to actually start fertilizing those seedlings. Both of those questions can be linked back to the concept of true versus seed leaves. So I'm going to use some cucumber plants that I have growing just to demonstrate what that actually is. So looking here at this cucumber plant, you see those nice round leaves here, and these ones are what you call seed leaves. That's actually those are the first ones to emerge, whereas these ones here are the true leaves. And so any emerging leaves at this point are all going to look like this one. So some people will say that by the time your second set of true leaves comes out, it's the time to start fertilizing. In this plant, we can already see right at the tip here that we have another set of true leaves coming out. And so at this point, it would be great to start fertilizing it. And so that little concept with the true leaves and seed leaves also applies to transplanting it. Some people will say that when you're transplanting it, it's great to wait for that second set of true leaves. What that basically means is that your plant is going to be tough enough to actually survive that transplant. It is challenging for a plant to be moved into a new place and try growing somewhere new, so making sure that it's well established is really helpful.